once you open up your Chrome, what you want to do is you want to click on these three dots right here in the right corner, and then you want to find settings. Okay, click on settings. Okay, so once you click on settings, you want to click on search engine. Okay, all right, so as you can see, we have Yahoo. So what you want to do is just click on change, and I'm gonna change it to Google. All right, then you click on set as default. All right, so it's pretty easy and straightforward. Okay, so once we change it to, then let's open a new tab to see if it works. All right, so as you can see, our search engine has changed to Google. Okay, so it's pretty easy and straightforward. Okay, so if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel.